Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage forwarded messages on your Telegram X account easy and quickly. So first enter Telegram X and then go to this three lines, then go to the settings, and as you see, go to the privacy and security, and here we have this forwarded messages, so click on it. So as you see here, you can manage who can add a link to your account when forwarding your messages, so like everybody or just your contact or nobody. Also here you can add exceptions. So that's it. That's how to add how to manage forwarded messages easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.